Elon Musk once mentioned that the Tesla bot Optimus will one day automatically understand humans, their habits, their daily routines, and even take specific actions without being directly told. It is expected to be far smarter than ChatGPT because every single action Optimus performs will update in real time. It will practically know everything and be able to answer nearly any question you throw at it because of the real brain built inside the robot. Optimus is truly shaping up to be the most intelligent among all humanoid robots being built right now. Elon Musk has confirmed that by the year 2026, when Tesla officially begins selling the Tesla bot, it will be capable of handling a very wide range of tasks. Before that day arrives, Optimus will continue to get upgrades and new abilities through Tesla's extremely intense training process. Think of it this way. You just have to train one Optimus to cook, and instantly that ability can be shared with every other Optimus. Suddenly, they all know how to cook. That is why Elon Musk keeps emphasizing that Tesla is not simply an electric vehicle company. Tesla is the leader in real-world artificial intelligence. They already have cars driving themselves in cities across the globe, and soon there will be humanoid robots walking alongside us. Welcome to AMP Drive, where we dive into everything about Tesla, robotics, and future technology. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe early on so you never miss these updates. We truly appreciate your support, and your subscription helps us continue bringing you the most exciting technology insights. So why exactly is Tesla's Optimus considered a genius? What new improvements are coming? How much is it going to cost? And what is the biggest hurdle Tesla faces with this robot right now? Let us dive deeper. Elon Musk has been very direct, saying there is no one else even close to Tesla when it comes to solving real-world artificial intelligence. The same computer system and software running Tesla's cars will also power Optimus in 2026. This means the robot will be able to perform a wide range of useful tasks. We are living in an era where nearly every month, a new company announces its entry into the humanoid robot race. The competition is extremely tough, and companies are not only competing on features but also on speed of development, pricing, and usefulness in the real world. The robots that can handle the greatest variety of tasks, whether in logistics, manufacturing, or even household chores, will clearly take the lead. But strong features by themselves are not enough. Intelligence, adaptability, and the ability to learn in new environments are what really separate winners from the rest. The smarter and more independent a robot is, the lower its long-term operating cost and the higher its economic value. Affordability is also non-negotiable. If humanoid robots are ever going to reach the mass market instead of remaining in small industrial or research niches, they must be priced reasonably. Elon Musk has repeated many times that Tesla's robot is designed to be the most sophisticated and intelligent humanoid robot in the world. According to him, once production lines are operating at full speed, Tesla will be able to build Optimus for around $10,000. That price point is exactly why even Tesla's strongest rivals, such as Boston Dynamics, have given recognition. The chief executive of Boston Dynamics admitted that Tesla's team has made tremendous progress in only a year, building machines entirely from scratch. He even said that Tesla is shining a bright spotlight on the importance of this technology, something Boston Dynamics has been advocating for over 3 decades. The latest Optimus now has a 22-degree of freedom hand and forearm, which is already in production. It has been learning how to walk and even catch objects like balls. That is impressive progress in a short time. From a simple idea, Optimus has quickly evolved into the most advanced humanoid robot in existence. Over the past 2 years, Optimus has already demonstrated it can perform meaningful tasks. But this is just the beginning. There is still a long path of improvements ahead before customers can bring one home. From our point of view, Optimus needs to complete at least 60 out of 100 human tasks before it becomes genuinely valuable. To get there, Tesla will first have to focus on making Optimus move more fluidly and giving it far more capable hands. At the moment, Optimus can climb stairs, but it still struggles to go down them smoothly and safely. This shows Tesla is still refining its balance and center of gravity systems. The good news is that Optimus has already shown it can handle sloped and uneven terrain, which proves its stability is improving fast. Helping the robot confidently move both up and down stairs should only be a matter of time, likely within the next few months. When it comes to the hands, Optimus can currently only manage simple actions like grabbing and holding light objects. For real everyday usefulness, the next generation hands will need to master delicate tasks such as cooking, washing food under running water, or even bathing a pet. To achieve this, Tesla must improve tactile sensors in the hands, develop more precise control algorithms, and boost reaction speed when dealing with soft or shifting objects. But then came a major surprise. Elon Musk revealed that Optimus will only be sold in the United States at first. Tesla will focus on the domestic market rather than selling globally right away. Many people were shocked by this announcement, since Musk had earlier claimed Optimus could eventually be sold worldwide and that all 8 billion people might one day own one. Tesla even showcased Optimus in China and Japan, leading many to assume it would be available everywhere. Musk has often highlighted how Optimus will free people from boring chores such as laundry, mowing the lawn, cleaning, and lifting heavy objects. Imagine having a humanoid robot ready to do all of that, giving you more free time to relax, spend with family, or focus on personal growth. That is the vision behind Tesla's bot. If it succeeds and enters mass production next year, it could completely transform not only technology but also everyday life. However, there is a serious obstacle. A crucial component that Optimus needs is heavily tied to China. This might affect the robot's cost and even delay production. Elon Musk admitted that Optimus has been impacted by China's rare earth export restrictions. These materials are essential for making Optimus advanced 22 degree of freedom arms. The actuators in the arms rely on permanent magnets, and those are exactly what China controls. This issue matters because Musk recently said Tesla could build at least 5,000 robots this year and start sales next year. Clearly, Tesla is feeling the effects of trade restrictions. This is not just about electric cars facing tariffs anymore, even humanoid robots are now caught in the middle of international supply challenges. To make things more complicated, Musk also revealed that almost every part of Optimus is completely new, with no existing supply chain. The only component reused is Tesla's artificial intelligence computer, which is the same as in their cars. That means everything from motors, gearboxes, and actuators had to be designed from the ground up. Originally, many thought Tesla would just adapt parts from its vehicles, but that has not happened. Still, Musk insists Tesla has something other companies do not, a real brain for the robot. The Optimus is powered by Tesla's real-world artificial intelligence, the same technology proven in self-driving cars. Combine that with Tesla's deep expertise in electric motors, batteries, structural design, and large-scale manufacturing, and you see why Musk is still confident. Recently, a leaked image from the Optimus assembly line caught attention. It showed what looks like a redesigned robot, with a more refined head, neck, and shoulders. The actuators appear to have been moved from the hands into the arms, probably to support the new hands Musk keeps talking about with 22 degrees of freedom. The new arms are a complete redesign compared to earlier versions. Musk has admitted these arms were an enormous engineering challenge. In fact, the hands alone account for nearly half of the entire mechanical complexity of Optimus. To avoid oversized hands, Tesla moved most actuators into the forearms and created a cable system that works like human tendons. The issue is that without rare earth magnets, Tesla cannot currently build these arms. Musk has said they are working with China to secure licenses, reassuring Beijing that Optimus is not a military system but simply a humanoid robot. This process is slowing things down, but Musk believes a solution will come. For now, Tesla is focusing first on the United States market, which Musk called a strategic move to develop the robot more steadily before going worldwide. He also stressed that Tesla is more localized in production than any other company and plans to push that even further. Of course, this is disappointing for customers outside North America who have been waiting eagerly for Optimus. It may become more expensive and harder to buy. Unlike Tesla's cars, which often sit parked for most of the day, Optimus robots are designed to actually work, taking on tasks for their owners and even potentially generating income by performing jobs. The idea of humanoid robots sparks mixed feelings. Many of us picture a bright future where these machines handle dangerous or exhausting tasks, but others worry about job loss or even science fiction scenarios where robots dominate humans. Some still see humanoid robots as clumsy, awkward, and not ready for real-life use. But technology is advancing at an incredible pace, and Optimus is moving closer to real-world usefulness every day. We are not here to claim Tesla already has the best robot today. But we believe Optimus has the greatest potential to truly make a difference in people's lives. Unlike most others, Tesla has focused on making it functionally human-like. Combined with artificial intelligence advancements, this could change everything. Optimus learns and remembers like a human, but without the limits of forgetfulness or slow repetition. It is built on Tesla's powerful artificial intelligence foundation, which has been refined for years. Thanks to machine learning and deep learning, Optimus can adjust and improve its behavior in real situations. That means users will not need to train their robot from scratch. It will already come with vast pre-training and be ready to serve almost immediately. Of course, people still ask, if robots become this smart, will they take our jobs? History shows us new technology usually creates more opportunities than it destroys. Just as smartphones created entire new industries, humanoid robots could do the same, improving quality of life along the way. And for those who fear a science fiction nightmare like the Terminator, Musk has reassured people that Optimus is meant to be a friendly helper, not a weapon. It is designed to assist with daily tasks, care for the elderly, and handle household chores. Tesla Optimus is likely to expand into markets outside the United States eventually, especially with growing demand in places like China and Europe. Building production facilities in these regions could lower costs and avoid tariff problems. For example, a factory in China could serve the huge Asian market, while a European factory could support automation efforts in Germany, France, and beyond. If Optimus proves itself in the same way Tesla's self-driving technology has, then it could operate anywhere, helping workers and households worldwide. This means Optimus is not just a product for the United States, but potentially a global force that reshapes the automation industry. The big picture here is that Optimus is more than just a robot. It represents a shift in how humans and machines will interact in the future. For decades, we have imagined worlds filled with machines that could support us, do our work, and give us more freedom to focus on what really matters. Science fiction showed us visions of robotic helpers, but they always felt distant and far away. Now, for the very first time, this dream is within reach. Imagine waking up in the morning and instead of rushing to make breakfast, Optimus is already preparing your meal. Instead of spending your weekends mowing the lawn, doing endless laundry, or cleaning your home, Optimus is quietly taking care of it all in the background. That is not just a small improvement in convenience. It is a life-changing shift in how we spend our time. Time, after all, is the most valuable thing we have, and Optimus promises to give us more of it. But here is where the suspense really builds. While Tesla is moving faster than anyone else, the challenges ahead are massive. Rare earth supply chain issues, the cost of scaling up production, international trade conflicts, and even the concerns people have about robots taking over human jobs are all real obstacles. Some experts argue that humanoid robots may never achieve mass adoption, while others insist they will reshape entire industries. The truth is, nobody knows exactly how this will play out, but one thing is certain, Tesla is pushing the world closer to that future every single day. That is why people feel both excitement and concern. Some see a future where robots like Optimus create safer jobs and better living, while others worry about what could go wrong. But as Elon Musk has said, Optimus is designed as a helper, not a threat. Its purpose is to support humans, not replace them. So the real question is this: when Optimus goes on sale, will you be ready to welcome one into your life? Your answer could shape not only the success of Tesla's robot but also the future of how humans and machines work together. Thank you for watching today's breakdown here on AMP Drive. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's Optimus and want to stay updated on every step of the journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We will keep bringing you the biggest updates, real insights, and the stories that matter most in Tesla, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Until next time, this is AMP Drive, and the future is coming faster than we imagined.